Tips on Trading, and I'm Stephen Story. I'm going to talk about fundamental versus technical trading today. You know, in the stock market, you look at the fundamental aspects of a stock. You research the stock, you learn about the company, you learn about its background and its history. You learn about its developments, its products, and what it's doing, and what the latest hype is as far as where that stock should be going, what they anticipate. That's essentially the fundamental aspects of studying out a stock, so you can then determine whether that stock is worth investing in. It's going to rise. You buy low, and you'll ultimately want to sell high, right? Technical trading is very, very different. I prefer technical trading. I would hate to think that I would have to research every single stock I ever wanted to invest in, and new stocks over and over. It's a never-ending cycle of research. But with technical trading, you don't have to reinvent the wheel every time. You learn the technical aspects of trading, and they're the same no matter which currency pair you're trading. I trade Forex because it's a lot simpler in the stock market. It's more volatile, and it creates more opportunity for making money. But I also trade it in a technical trading atmosphere because that also simplifies my ability to trade effectively. I don't have to worry about the unforeseen fundamentals that I can't anticipate or predict. I don't have to worry about going through research again and again and again for every single stock I may want to trade. With the Forex market, I trade technically because it teaches me how to read what I see on the chart. I read wave patterns, I read chart patterns, I learn to draw trend lines and channels and different formations of that. I learn how to tell the difference between impulsive, actionary, corrective, complex corrective wave patterns and so forth. And once I've learned it, I've got it. It's in my head, and I don't have to relearn it all over again. I just need to learn how to apply it to what I see on my screen. Like the screen, the chart you see right here next to me. I see those wave patterns and I interpret them. I don't have to know even what the currency pair is that I'm trading necessarily, because the same types of rules generally apply in a technical trading environment to any currency pair that I'm trading. Yes, each currency pair will have some differences in its characteristics and its manner of unfolding, but the same general rules apply in a technical environment. I prefer to watch technical because essentially technical trading is learning how to read patterns that repeat themselves in the market again and again and again. The more you learn to read those patterns on the same charts you look at every day, in all the different variations in which they can unfold, the more proficient, the more successful you become as a trader. And again, once you learn it, you don't have to relearn it. You don't have to start over every time you look at a new stock or a new currency pair. Technical trading, when you learn to do it well, learn your support and resistance, learn your technical indicators that are any good. There's about 140 technical indicators out there, most of which don't do any good. There's about 8 or 10 of them that if I were teaching you, I'd teach you how to use, because those are really effective. The rest of them, just pay no attention to them. But you don't know that until you learn it. Once you learn those things to the technical part and you learn to combine those elements together, you come up with a trade plan and a strategy that can work almost the same day in, day out, again and again, because you're not having to worry about all of the wishy-washy changes and fluctuations of a fundamental market, because the technical market follows some pretty safe, sound, and fairly consistent rules. I like technical trading. That's my preference, and that's Tips on Trading. I'm Stephen Story.